Hello. Do you know how you can lose lower back fat? If you are thinking how to reduce returning fat, maybe this will help you. Getting rid of the fat that is on your returning is one of the toughest areas to focus on your whole body when reducing body weight. Why? We have no concept, but it's true. With Perform Out and diets, you should be able to reduce it, but only when you are prepared to reduce overall human extra fat. Below are 3 methods that will help you reduce returning fat. The first technique is Perform Out. One of the best factors that you can do is engage in aerobic exercises for great outcomes. You should perform out for half an hour or more at a time and for 3 to 4 days per 7 days. Some of the exercises that you can do to enhance your returning muscle tissue are rowing, punching, and swimming. Aerobic exercises can tone your returning and also prevent cardiac arrest, enhance center function, and much more. Below are some more exercises that you need to check out. Try period coaching exercises. Interval coaching helps you reduce fat quickly and all over your whole body. One of the factors you can do is run for several moments, return to a more slowly speed for 5 moments, and then speed up the speed for another 2 moments. Great strength interval training is an excellent way to go to raise your metabolic rate and enhance your heart wellness. It will also get rid of a lot of human extra fat and eventually reduce away the returning fat. An excellent Perform Out you can do from house involves attaching a resistance group to your doorknob and then putting a chair 2 feet away from the door. Once this is done, you keep the ends of the group in each hand and fold your arms in a 90-degree position. Pull your hands returning and keep this position for 10 seconds and release. Do it again the 7 to 10 more periods. Another Perform Out at house that you can do is returning additions. This type of Perform Out objectives the returning. For this Perform Out you will need to lie down on your stomach, put your hands behind your head and then raise your chest off the ground. Do this 10 periods and for 3 places until you can do more places. Start weightlifting but begin off slowly. You should not have stress too much when you raise them at first. Doing curved over flies can help get ripped in the higher region of your returning. Hold body weight loads in both of your hands and then fold over. Increase hands until they are as much as your neck and then reduce it returning down to your sides. Do this for 8 periods and for 3 places until you can handle a bulkier set of body weight loads. Method 2 is diets. The vital factor that you can do is cut your calorie consumption. Reducing out 500 calorie consumption a day and exercising on a regular basis will help you reduce about 1 pound weekly. Just cutting calorie consumption can help you excess body weight but without returning Perform Out, your muscle tissue and your returning will not get beautifully shaped. You want to eat meals that are low in calorie consumption but take up a lot of space so that you will feel bigger with less calorie consumption. You should eliminate all high-calorie beverages. Sometimes we forget that beverages can have just as much calorie consumption or more as meals that we may consume. Substitute the fruit juices and soft drinks with sugar-free herbal tea and water. Another factor that you can do when it comes to eating is space your meals every few time apart. Remember to keep the meals small. This will help you so that you are not starving and then have to eat more. If you perform from any time, make sure that you bring something to perform with you such as nut products or fruit. This should help find unnecessary eating for dinner. Another concept is using an breast ergometer. An ergometer looks like a spinning bike with bars. With this device you turn the bars with your hands while you are sitting or standing in front. of it for great outcomes. You should use this devices for 10 moments or more every other day. As far as how much you could reduce on it, a 155 pounds person burns up to 246 calorie consumption in about half an hour or so. As far as tips go, it is a wise decision before you begin a wellness plan though that you get a wellness approval from your doctor. You should also not do too much right away as you could hurt yourself. Begin slowly and then develop yourself up. Also, when it comes to returning fat, there are certain aerobic exercises that perform better than others. One of these exercises may be rowing. Rowing focus on the muscle tissue in your returning. So if you do these factors, it should help you to reduce returning fat and also the fat that you have all over your whole body. Thank you for watching this video.